hot chip challenge today.
This is called the Mama Challenge.
No! You're not even doing it.
This is called the Mama Challenge. No, because she's not looking at me. The Mama Challenge.
Oh my god! You know, my sister is only 5 years old, and you're gonna make her eat that. You know, you guys.
The hot chip challenge. This is for you, Jay.
This is the Mama Challenge.
Oh no, Bill!
Oh my god.
Don't eat my hot Cheetos!
You stop it.
Annoying.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Olivia.
Since it's my challenge, I'll be the first one.
Mama, can you please take
Just
one?
kidding,
Because
Jay.
I'm not there, 'cause
Then you guys lose.
Then that's not a challenge. You gotta stay next to me.
Mama, I
Let's
like-
go.
Alright, I'll make something fair.
Say next to me.
We have to drink as much water as we want before we eat it.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. I'm gonna go
dehydrated,
There
first.
we go.
I'm
The new
dehydrated,
hospital's
though.
Walden. Get ready.
I'm gonna go first.
You're allowed to drink it before.
You're cheating.
I'm not cheating. I'm thirsty.
Vicky, you need milk? You need milk? Milk's in the fridge.
You can try. If you don't want to try, you don't have to.
I will be the first one to try it.
Friday, you don't need to eat that one.
Jessica, please.
I'm gonna have cookies.
Ella empezó
instead.
esto esta
I
mañana.
want to do
Did
it,
you
man.
ask for the challenge?
I will be the first one to taste this.
Alright, sriracha mixed with hot Cheeto. No, Taki.
Oh, I smell it. Ooh.
That's spicy.
Oh,
That's good.
it's not eating it.
Delicious. Let's go, Olivia.
Alright, Olivia's up next.
Ready?
No!
Okay, give me. I'll hold it for you.
Okay.
Turn around. You're gonna be recorded. Let's go.
Do it for the video.
We're gonna win.
She's scared, Olivia.
No, she's good.
Jessica, look at Jessica's face. Look at
We have to
Jessica's face.
remix it
Gonna
with the
kill.
hot sauce. Cause the hot
Let's
sauce.
go, Olivia.
She got it all over Jessica's floor.
Go, Olivia.
Blue
Olivia,
house.
go.
Nice.
Go.
3,
Go.
2, 1.
Go.
I'm just gonna cry. You want milk? We got milk.
Okay, we have a tough girl here.
You want water? Oh, let's see.
No milk will
She's
help.
the tough girl. You gotta
Give me
push
a
it up.
Taki, not a hot Cheeto.
She's the tough girl. She will take a Taki with a Cheeto at the
Yeah.
same time.
Wait, what? No, wait, what? That's not fair.
Ready?
Go drink one.
Okay. Oh.
Go water,
Everybody
water,
look.
Can you
water.
let me have a Taki?
You're yelling. Everybody
So
look.
yelling. Oh, yeah.
Go.
Oh. The faster you chew, the less it tastes.
It's live, y'all.
No, it's spicy.
Anthony,
I'm not doing it. No.
You're in the challenge.
I don't like sriracha. That's gross.
You're in the challenge.
No, I do. I said
you're
no.
in the challenge.
You can't
Anthony
tell me
will
what
do
to
a double
do.
standard.
No, I'm not.
This is called a double